things you need to know if you've been involved in a catastrophic accident here in the state of Virginia. I'm Jesse Suit, personal injury trial attorney with Kalfas and Nachman, practicing throughout the state of Virginia. If you've been involved in a catastrophic accident, you need to take immediate action. You need to consult with an attorney immediately. There are certain steps that have to be taken right away. First off, you have to get the 911 tapes. It's remarkable the information that you learn when other independent eyewitnesses call in an accident to 911. You also need to get the news broadcasts from that night or the next day when the investigative reporters go out to the scene. They videotape the scene, and they also give you critical information. You need to get photographs of the scene exactly as it is at the time of the accident. In addition, you need to talk to the witnesses quickly. With time, their memories fade, people forget. I can't tell you how many times we've gone out to speak with police officers immediately after an accident happened to see what they remember, and they'll pull out their investigative notes and we'll find other witnesses and other information you won't get from an accident report. You actually have to meet with them and find out what's in their file. Sometimes we find photographs that aren't documented otherwise. So it's very important that you act immediately while the accident is fresh in the memories of all the witnesses, and you can actually document everything that happened as it happened. In addition, it really takes a team effort. Not only do you need a lawyer working for you, but you're going to need experts. In most of these cases, you're going to need medical experts, you're going to need vocational experts, economic experts, sometimes an accident reconstruction expert. Depending on the type of injury, you're going to need more than one doctor. We've used neurologists, neuropsychologists, trauma surgeons, all sorts of doctors in various specialties, because when you've suffered a catastrophic injury, you probably have more than just one medical condition that's causing you difficulty. In addition to the medical experts, we use vocational experts, life care planners, and financial experts who will help you with structured settlements. If you don't act immediately, and if you don't preserve the evidence, and if you don't then get the right experts to work with you to help you get better and to document your injuries, you're not going to be able to prove your case at trial. Why do I tell you this? Because it's important. If you don't get this evidence, you're not going to be able to prove your case at trial. Jesse Suit, trial attorney, Kalfas and Nachman.